Hi, I'm Alan Burnett. I'm the pastor of the Alpha course at Coastal Church, and I just want to take this invitation to encourage you to be part of Alpha if you never have before. What is the Alpha course? It's a 12-week introduction to the Christian faith. There are a number of people that I think that I want to address. Number one, if you're just checking out Christianity or you're not even sure it's relevant in this day and age, I encourage you to come to the Alpha course because it's a course that's really designed to help you get answers to some of the important questions in life. Who is God? Who is Jesus? How does God guide us? Is there a purpose for my life? How do I pray? Does God still heal? And just a whole bunch of topics like that that really help lay a foundation for your spiritual life, your relationship with God. And it starts out with a meal every week. And part of the reason for that is that we just want to build friendships and get to know each other, some great worship. Then we have a teaching time, and then we get into small groups where we can discuss what we heard in a very open and safe format, where you may disagree even with what you heard, you may question what you heard, and that is okay, because Alpha is an acronym that stands for anyone is welcome. We have lots of learning and laughter. We have pasta, peanuts, pie, anything to do with food. H stands for helping each other. And the last one is any question is okay. 12 weeks, once a week, weekend away. I encourage everyone to consider making that kind of an investment, because I guarantee you, you will not regret it. All of you, you need to check out the Alpha course.